Can digital marketing replace traditional marketing? Since the dawn of digital marketing, there's been an ongoing debate about whether it will replace traditional marketing. As technology becomes more ubiquitous in our daily lives, it's clear that digital strategies like search marketing, social media advertising, and PPC ads aren't going anywhere anytime soon. Yet, traditional marketing methods are still abundant. When was the last time you took a drive without spotting a billboard or turned on the radio without hearing an ad? But do you need these traditional marketing strategies to succeed as a small business? Here's a look at what you should know. Small businesses have flocked to digital marketing because the digital medium provides many tools to focus in on a specific audience. You can target your ads to reach the people who will find them most relevant. As a result, you may find that your marketing budget is yielding a higher ROI than you might see with a conventional billboard or TV ad. Digital marketing also offers a wealth of data about your target consumers. Social media and search engines can show you exactly who is checking out your brand online. Traditional marketing hasn't completely gone by the wayside. In fact, it can still be beneficial for local businesses looking to gain a bigger presence in their area. For example, a well-placed billboard can draw customers into your restaurant from the highway. Alternatively, a radio or newspaper ad may raise community awareness of an upcoming event you're hosting. Still, these types of advertising can be costly investments, and they aren't as targeted as digital marketing strategies. For now, both traditional and digital marketing still have their place in the world of advertising. However, if your budget is limited, it's probably best to stick to a digital-focused campaign. More and more people find local businesses through online search, and digital marketing is what will get you seen there. Discover just how much your business can benefit from online marketing with Smargasy. Our team of marketing experts in Cape Coral is ready to get your business seen online with a results-driven strategy for success. Contact us today at 239-214-8592.